Hi everyone, welcome to the 258th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Ashmita, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, second semester anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Global Reach Siliguri, your favorite overseas education advisor. The headlines this week. Students launch LuvlyU, a movement for self-worth. NGO Conclave champions collaboration and social change. NCC cadets shine at prestigious national camps. IGNOU Induction welcomes July 2025 learners. Gender and the body takes center stage at Groi Memorial Lecture. Photo of the week. The news in detail. Siliguri. Students launch LuvlyU, a movement for self-worth. Soumili Mukherjee, Department of BBA 4th semester reports.
A student team of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri launched LuvlyU, Love, Understand and Value Yourself, a digital platform designed to help young people reconnect with their inner spark and confidently share their authentic selves. The initiative was created by MSc Psychology student Anand Kumar and Radio Club members. The platform currently offers more than 50 guided video sessions across 8 transformational modules, supported by interactive reflection games, prompts, and activities. The videos cover themes such as self-worth, influences that shape you, discover yourself, mindset and mental safety, emotional healing and resilience, communication and boundaries, positive self-image, and living authentic. A key feature of LuvlyU is, instead of passively consuming content, users respond to prompts and guided activities that encourage reflection on questions like, how healthy is my communication style? What emotions do I often overlook? What beliefs about myself might be holding me back? While students and faculty members welcome the initiative, the creators hope the platform will grow into a community-driven movement.
Soumili Mukherjee reporting. Siliguri. NGO Conclave champions collaboration and social change. Angel Raju, BSW Department 4th semester reports.
The Center for Advancement, in the collaboration with the Department of Social Work, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri, hosted the NGO Conclave 2026 on 16th March under the theme Building Hope and Harmony, a Harambee call to unite a divided society. The conclave brought together some 40 participants from 15 civil society organizations, NGOs, social workers, academicians, policy makers from North Bengal and Nepal. Principal of Don Bosco College, Golaghat, Assam, Dr. A. Amaldos delivered the keynote address. From education, healthcare, child protection and gender justice, environmental sustainability and livelihood development, the forum highlighted the transformative role of NGOs in grassroots development. Key features of the conclave included panel discussions on emerging social issues, networking sessions, experience sharing by NGOs, collaborative dialogue on advocacy, NGOs exhibitions, and student NGO interaction sessions. The objective of the conclave included the creation of a strong regional network of NGOs, identification of common advocacy priorities, and enhanced opportunities for student engagement and internships. Anne Wright, a 4th semester BSW student, served as the anchor. Sister Genevieve presented the day's proceedings in summary, and the Center for Advancement, Ms. Neha Maria Matthew, delivered the word of thanks.
Angel Raju reporting. Siliguri. NCC cadets shine at prestigious national camps. Mikit Lepcha, Department of Political Science 6th semester reports.
3 Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri NCC cadets successfully participated in 2 of the most renowned national NCC camps, the Republic Day Camp (RDC) and the Indian Military Academy (IMA) camp. Senior Under Officer M.K. Marine and Under Officer Prince Lakra earned their place at the IMA camp, despite limited vacancies, rigorous selection criteria, and the demanding training environment. Their achievement reflects sheer determination and relentless efforts. Meanwhile, Senior Under Officer Samden Bhatia represented NCC unit at the Republic Day Camp RDC 2025 to 2026. Widely regarded as the most prestigious and challenging camp in the NCC, RDC selects only 1,050 cadets from thousands nationwide. SEO Bhutia's success stands as a testament to his dedication and has made the college NCC unit immensely proud. They were felicitated at the morning assembly on 18th March 2026.
Mikit Lepcha reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri. IGNOU Induction welcomes July 2025 learners. Vidhi, Dudhani, Department of English, 6th semester reports.
The IGNOU Study Center at Salesian College Siliguri held its induction meeting for learners of the July 2025 session on 14th March 2026. Welcoming some 40 new learners, Study Center Coordinator Father Dr. Saju Puttuseri underlined the importance of learner support services and academic guidance. Dr. Biswajit Bhaumik, Senior Regional Director of IGNOU Regional Center Siliguri, explained counseling support, assignment submission, project guidelines and access to information services, helping students understand the academic processes and expectations of the university. Chief guest Father C.M. Paul, Vice Principal of Sciences, inspired the gathering with a motivational talk, stressing the importance of dedication, discipline and commitment in pursuing higher education through open and distance learning. Assistant Regional Director Kaustav Majumdar also encouraged the students to be committed to their studies. Assistant Coordinator Surendra Kumar Shah proposed the vote of thanks before the program concluded with the national anthem.
Vidhi Dudhani reporting.
In today's world, education knows no boundaries. But for students, the path to studying abroad can feel confusing and overwhelming. That's where Global Reach comes in. With over 3 decades of experience, we are Northeast India's most trusted overseas education consultancy. From choosing the right university to guiding you through applications, scholarships, visas, and beyond, we are with you at every step. Our partnerships with leading universities across Australia, the UK, the US, Canada, New Zealand and beyond ensures that you don't just dream, you achieve. Thousands of students have already found their future with us. Now, it's your turn. Global Reach, opening doors to global opportunities. Your future, our guidance.
Sonada. Gender and the Body Take Center stage at Groi Memorial Lecture. Natisa Rai, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 2nd semester report.
The Department of Philosophy of Salesian College Autonomous Sonada organized the Father Groi Memorial Lecture on 13th March 2026 at the Kalingal AV Hall. The lecture was delivered by Ms. Ragini Chetri, Assistant Professor in the Department of Sociology at Salesian College Sonada, on the topic Gender and the Body, How Society Shapes What Feels Natural. The program began with the welcoming of the resource person and distinguished guests with traditional khadas. Brother P.A. Josh, Vice Principal of Salesian College Sonada, paid tribute to Father Groi by garlanding his portrait, after which Father C.J. Matthew, head of the Department of Philosophy, introduced the speaker. During her lecture, Ms. Chetri explained how ideas of masculinity and femininity are shaped by social institutions such as family, education, religion, and media. Referring to thinkers like Simone de Beauvoir, Judith Butler, Michael Foucault, Rain Connell, and Kimberly Crenshaw, she highlighted how gender roles are socially constructed and how concepts like intersectionality influence the understanding of gender in society. After the lecture, Father Preetham Barla, campus minister, chaired a brief interactive session for questions and clarifications. Father Tommy Augustine, rector of Salesian College Siliguri, also shared a short life story of Father Groi. The program concluded with a vote of thanks, and the session ended marking a meaningful academic discussion on gender and society.
Natisa Rai reporting. Photo of the week. The principal along with faculty members of the Integrated Teachers Education Program addressed a press conference at the Siliguri Journalist Club on 16th March 2026. The admissions are now open for the IDEP offering a BA Honours with B8 degree in 4 years. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by Global Reach Siliguri, your favorite overseas education advisor. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.